Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-maintained classic pickup showing 95,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 350 engine paired with an Edelbrock 1406 series carburetor. The truck also features headers with direct piping and a dual-outlet exhaust system, giving it a solid performance sound and improved airflow. It runs and drives smoothly, making it fully highway-ready. The exterior is finished in black, nicely complemented by a bold red interior that adds a striking contrast. It sits on 20-inch Sierra Denali rims wrapped in 245/45/20 tires, all in good condition. The frame is rust-free, reflecting proper care over the years. Additionally, the truck is backed by a clean title, making it a solid and reliable choice for its next owner.
Number 2.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, powered by the strong and reliable 5.9L 360 Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck delivers the performance and durability the Ram series is known for. With 141,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a true survivor that has clearly been cared for over the years. Finished in a brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, the truck presents a cohesive and timeless look. It has had only 3 owners, and its current ownership has maintained it with pride. The interior remains in well-kept condition, showing minimal wear for its age, while the body is clean and solid, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. Overall, this truck stands out as a clean, well-maintained truck that combines classic styling, dependable V8 power, and long-term durability.
Number 3.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800. The truck features an automatic transmission, red exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 5.7L/350 Vortec engine. The odometer reads 371,000 miles, but it has approximately 21,000 miles on a new GEGS crate engine and about 38,000 miles on a rebuilt transmission from Delta. The truck has many new parts and upgrades, with a detailed list available upon request. It includes a 4-inch lift kit and rides on 31.5-inch all-terrain tires. It does have rust in 3 areas, both rocker panels and the passenger side of the bed, along with a cracked windshield. The power steering pump will need replacement soon, and it still requires an alignment after a recent steering gearbox installation.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, showing 130,000 miles, backed by a lifetime of service records that highlight consistent care. It is powered by a reliable 350 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and features 2-wheel drive, delivering smooth and dependable performance. This regular cab model comes finished in blue with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. It includes a rear sliding window for added comfort and ventilation. The body is in excellent condition with no dents and no visible rust. Additionally, it is equipped with 4 new tires, a new battery, a rubber bed liner, and a camper shell with matching paint, making it both practical and ready for everyday use.
Number 5.
1986 Nissan 720, price $6,250. It has 264,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a black interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has been freshly painted and comes with a clean title, making it a solid and presentable classic pickup. It has received numerous updates and maintenance upgrades. The vehicle is fitted with an updated Bluetooth stereo system, a new wheel set with upgraded rims, and LED lights for improved visibility and a modern touch.
Mechanically, it has a new timing belt and a new carburetor.
The braking system has been refreshed with new discs, new calipers, new brakes, and a new master cylinder. Additionally, the suspension has been completely renewed, ensuring a smoother and more reliable ride.
Number 6.
1983 Chevrolet K20, price $10,000, well-maintained classic square-body pickup presented in an attractive blue exterior with a matching blue interior. Equipped with a 350 gasoline engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, this 4x4 truck delivers strong and reliable performance both on and off the road. It also features dual fuel tanks, adding extended driving range and practicality. This K20 runs and drives great, showing solid mechanical condition. It has 0 rust, making it a standout example of this generation. The interior remains in nice condition, complementing its clean exterior appearance. As an added benefit, the truck passes emissions, making it ready for the road. Overall, this is a solid and desirable square body with excellent drivability and classic appeal.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This two-door, short-wheelbase pickup is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 5.7L fuel-injected V8 engine. With 143,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid and dependable truck that runs and drives strong. The vehicle comes well equipped with power windows and power door locks for added convenience. It has recently received new bumpers, lights, and a grille, enhancing both its appearance and functionality. The radio and speakers are in excellent working condition, providing clear and enjoyable sound. All maintenance and repairs have been professionally completed at Christian Brothers Automotive, with service records available for review.
The truck has a clear title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 8.
1984 Ford F-150, price $4,500, shows 125,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior and powered by gasoline, this classic pickup offers a solid combination of originality and performance upgrades. Under the hood, it features a 302 V8 engine paired with a rebuilt AOD automatic transmission, providing dependable power and smooth shifting. The engine does have a slight miss, though it has already been serviced with a new distributor, spark plugs, and wires. Further fine-tuning may be needed to fully optimize its performance. It is also fitted with headers and a dual exhaust system. The truck boasts a straight, rust-free body, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It rides on brand new tires, making it road-ready and dependable.
Number 9.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000, comes with a clean title and runs and drives well. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Several important components have recently been replaced, including a brand new transmission, battery, oil pan gasket, and starter.
However, the transmission currently needs a torque converter, as the one installed by the shop was faulty.
The owner is no longer pursuing the warranty process and has decided not to continue dealing with the shop regarding the issue. Overall, this Sierra presents a solid opportunity for someone willing to address the torque converter replacement.
Number 10.
1995 Ford F-250, price $5,000, with 155,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 7.5-liter gasoline engine. Finished in blue, this truck presents exceptionally well for its age. This F-250 is described as super clean, with cap corners in excellent condition and virtually no rust. The body is notably straight and clean, showing almost no dents or rust anywhere. The chassis is also in great shape, with only minor surface rust typical for its age.
The interior is in fair condition, and the truck runs and drives well.
The heater functions properly, making it reliable in colder weather. It comes with a clean title, making it a solid and dependable choice for anyone looking for a classic heavy-duty gasoline-powered truck.